Good afternoon, everyone. In tonight's free video, I wanted to start things by looking at just the kind of fascinating action that you saw from the SPX today, and I believe is a testament to all of the hedging activity that goes on around these strikes, and that is part of what makes them, these inflection points. But you can see how the index gaps up to begin the cash market on the back of the inflation data. That bullish move, looks a little bit euphoric and takes you right into 4150. From the failure at 4150, it's about as much of a straight down move as you're going to see in trading down into 4100. So it's really just looking at these 50-point strikes, right? Giving a little more weight to the double O's, the 4100s, the 4200s, etc. But you can see not only then do we, just hold this level, but then it's right back up, coming 3 handles shy of again testing 4150. So there's just so much of the, kind of violent chop going on inside these ranges, and it's all part of what I believe is working to resolve us into 4200, and then actually still looking for 4250 above that. So how might we think about that as to unfold? Because it does not have to be in a straight line, and of course very likely will not be, but I do want to look at the potential of it moving, essentially equities moving up into their monthly expiration and trying to use that on the heels of the VIX. Now I want to show you an example here previously where we were looking at the January expiration, right? And as the VIX has the squeeze that fires short, right? Here's the movement of that technical signal, and essentially, one time framing just directly lower all throughout that until the VIX gets into its expiration, right? And then it kind of resets. Every moment in time is unique, and this does not have to play out in that way, but it's worth speaking to because you have this May expiration on the horizon out there for next Friday, so into next Wednesday. Can you see a repetition of this pattern right through here? Again, the future is unknown, but in one of these future free videos that I do with you, we're going to come back and look at this and see what the resolution of it was. So I think those are some interesting movements into monthly expirations, tying that in with the key gamma strikes of the SPX continues to be some of my most helpful reference points, and I hope you find it helpful in your trading. You guys have a great rest of the night, and I hope to see you in one of the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.